Hello friends and fellow dads. So meron tayong free time today para mag-ride. And we're going to Tagaytay. And matagal natin hindi nagamit tong si Jarvis. Those who are new to my channel, Jarvis is our CB650. So we've been doing a lot of bike reviews almost every week. Kaya medyo hindi tayo nakakalabas gamit si Jarvis. Pero yun pala yung drawback, no? When you get to try different bikes, nakikita ko yung limitation na yun nga, yung wala dito kay Jarvis. You get to see other bikes. So ngayon mas na-appreciate ko ano pa talaga yung hanap ko sa isang bike based on my riding skills and preference and requirement. So on this video, pag-usapan natin ano ba yung mga realizations ko, ano ba yung actual requirement ko sa isang motorcycle. Kaya tara, let's go. Number one, ang unang realization ko, no, na-appreciate ko yung bikes with high torque. Yung mga bikes gaya ng Ducati Scrambler full throttle, yung Scrambler 1200 XC ng Triumph. We have the ZH2, yeah, and yung BMW S1000RR. Although you will tell me ibang bike naman yan. That's true. You have sports bikes and adventure bikes, but one thing is certain, no? Iba pala talaga yung nabibigay ng acceleration ng mga bikes high torque. And with my riding, shall we say, riding preference, mas gusto ko yung mga ganung bike. So out of that list, ang pinaka gusto ko is yung ZH2 at saka yung 1200 XC ng Triumph. Yung Ducati Scrambler kasi, although high torque siya, I find that bike parang plastic. Gusto ko pa rin yung medyo motor talaga yung dating, yung metal tank, you know. So second na na-realize ko, no, is sa mga bike is character. Meron talaga mga bike na may certain punch yung character na nadi-deliver. And what do I mean by character? The impression this bike gives pag dumarating ka. And I have 3 brands on that list. The Harley Davidson, andyan yung Indian, and andyan yung Royal Enfield. Siguro sama ko na rin dito yung yung Triumph. These bikes talaga, lalo na yung mga classic looking motorcycles, give a presence of character, no? Ito talaga yung mga motor ng mga mama. Kasi yung ibang motor kasi parang motor ng mga bata eh. Pero what I'm saying is, and I guess you guys would agree, no? When I say mama, it's a full grown adult dude or dudette. Iba yung dating eh. When you pull over on a Harley or Indian and Enfield, lalo na yung GT Continental, no? There are bikes sa Royal Enfield din kasi na designed for the millennials, to put it on nice terms, no? Pero like the GT Continental, the Interceptor, these are bikes for grown-up men. and women. Number 3, related sa, because I'm talking about brands, another realization is there are talagang brands, no, na give off a certain shall we say social status, a symbol if you will, and I'm not proud to say it, but it's sad truth. I mean, reality yan. There are bikes that when you are seen riding it, you are seen differently. And hindi ko lang babanggitin yung brands, pero you know these brands. There are really brands that kumbaga, when they see you on this bike, iba yung tingin sa'yo. So that's the third thing, is social status. I may not agree with it, but it's a fact. Number 4, I think it's the community. Yung community ng certain bike brands. If I were really to choose, no, based on my personal preference, my personality, ang mga bikes talaga na nakikita ko dyan is of course Harley, Indian, Royal Enfield, and Triumph. Ito yung classic side ng Triumph. So ito yung mga pasok sa personality ko. Medyo umaambon-ambon na dito, pero maaraw. It's all good. We have a rain gear. Is it still on? Yeah. So yeah, that's number 4, community. Number 5, siguro, I just wanna say, you know, in my stint of trying out different bikes, I've made my top 5, and there's a second batch na I haven't really made the list yet. Definitely mababago yung top 5 ko because syempre nadagdagan yung mga na-try natin bike. Siguro I'll just put that for another review. Pero ang isa sa mga masasabi ko, no, ang biggest disappointment ko siguro is yung BMW GS 1300. Hindi, siguro dahil mataas lang expectations ko. I mean, people say it's a really good bike pag nag GS ka. Hey guys, ano masasabi nyo sa ganyan tunog? Anyway, so mataas na siguro yung expectations ko sa bike, pero hindi ko talaga nagustuhan yung GS 1300. I don't know. Definitely for me, GS 1300 is an overrated bike. But to be fair with BM naman, yung R90, I love that bike. Yeah, hindi ko nabanggit, no, pero that bike gives off a certain character and status symbol din. Yung BMW na yan. And ano pa ba na-try ko sa BMW? Yung S1000RR. Hindi ko masyado type yung bike na yun in comparison to other sports bikes na na-try ko, kasi parang plastic yung dating eh. The same shall we say feeling na meron ako when I tried the Ducati Scrambler. Parang plastic yung katawan. So yung S1000RR feels like plastic to me. Siguro yun nga, mas gusto ko yung metal bikes. Pero the BMW R90, that's solid. That's a solid 10 out of 10 bike. lang, yun yung mga realizations ko after trying out different bikes. Yun nga, siguro before we close, we'll just have coffee here, and then we'll wrap up the video. Pero siguro in my conclusion, masasabi ko lang, yeah, you can listen to your friends na nakatry na ng different bikes, pero don't kumbaga, use that only as reference. Ang pinaka-importante talaga, matry nyo yung bike, kasi each person has different riding skill sets, different riding preference, and taste and individuality. So mag-test ride kayo, and there are many bike dealerships na masipag mag-test ride. Nandyan ang masasipag yan, si Royal Enfield, sobrang sipag niyan. Triumph, sobrang sipag niya magpa-test ride. And BMW, yeah, masipag din yan. Ang magandang dealership yung nasa EDSA. Yun ang marirecommend kong dealership. Yeah, Access Plus din, sila Ducati, yeah, they do a lot of test rides also, before I forget. Sa mga na-try ko, ang paborito ko is yung Harley. Ito hindi pa talaga yung official list pero yung mga masaya ako at na-try ko: Harley Davidson, Indian, Ducati Scrambler full throttle, yan Triumph 1200 XC Scrambler. Ito yung mga bikes na masaya ako, na-try ko sila. And uwi na rin tayo after a short coffee. But yun lang guys, as always, thanks for watching. Ride safe and rock and ride.